Hi, I'm Priyankini, founder of Speak Out Club and the author of the book called Speak Out, which is available on Amazon. In the last decade, I have been into this industry for 10 plus years, trained more than 10,000 people to become great speakers. My 6-step system is a proven system which has worked for more than thousands of speakers to level up their public speaking game. Now I am on a mission to help more than 1 million people in the next 5 years to become brilliant speakers. I have been privileged to be a part of Women Entrepreneur India magazine and Work TV for my work in the public speaking industry. Now I have come up with my signature program called Speak Out Mastery, which is available at a very affordable price. These are the 3 reasons why you should join Speak Out Club. Number 1 is Speak Out Club is not just a community, it is an empire of speakers which I have built, which I have made, wherein you find like-minded people like you. There is no scope of failure to become a public speaker because you stand for each other. My accountability system helps you to be accountable to each other, to stand for each other. If somebody is not performing the assignment, I don't ask you, I ask your accountability partner. So that's how powerful this is. It's very simple. It's a system which you have to follow step by step. You put your actions and get results. That's it. You have to follow the system step by step with 100% of your commitment. Number 2 reason is that Speak Out Club is not for beginners or procrastinators. This is for action takers who are 100% committed and who is ready to do whatever it takes to level up their public speaking game. Number 3 reason why you should join Speak Out Club is you will get to participate on a contest called Speakathon, which happens every month, wherein you get to assess your own level as a public speaker as to where do you stand as a public speaker so that you can grow to the next level, so that you can take the next power leap. So that's about my Speak Out Club. So are you ready to be a part of my community that is Speak Out Club?